2016 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, security system, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.